Welcome to this Excel tutorial on counting non-blank or empty cells using various methods. Let's explore three approaches: the COUNTA function, the COUNTIF function, and a VBA code solution. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's delve into the first method, utilizing the COUNTA function. This function is a straightforward way to count the number of non-blank cells within a specified range. Assuming that you have a data list in a range A1, B6, and this range has blank cells as well, and you wish to count cell without blank cells, and you can use a formula based on the COUNTA function like this: equals COUNTA, A1, B6. The COUNTA function can be used to count the number of cells that contain numbers, text, dates or errors, and it will ignore all empty cells automatically. Moving on to the second method, we'll employ the COUNTIF function, offering a more conditional approach to counting non-blank cells. You can also use another function called COUNTIF function to achieve the same result of counting the number of cells that are not blank in Excel. For example, using the following formula: equals COUNTIF, A1, B6, less than greater than. By using the COUNTIF function with the criterion, less than greater than, we specifically count cells that are not empty, providing a dynamic way to address varied conditions. For our third method, we'll explore a more advanced solution using VBA code, allowing for a programmatic and customizable approach to counting non-blank cells. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor in Excel. In the VBA editor, right-click on any item in the Project Explorer. Choose Insert and then select Module. This will insert a new module where you can write your VBA code. Copy and paste the code into the newly created module. The provided VBA code defines a custom function named count non-blank. This function takes a range as an argument and returns the count of non-blank cells within that range using the COUNTA function from the worksheet function class. Save your Excel workbook to ensure that the VBA code is stored with the file. Go back to your Excel worksheet. In a cell, enter the formula equals count non-blank, A1, B6. Adjust the range as needed based on your data. By following these steps, you'll have successfully implemented the VBA code to count non-blank cells in Excel. This method offers a programmatic and reusable solution for your counting needs. These comprehensive steps provide a deeper understanding of each method's application, empowering you to choose the most suitable approach based on your Excel needs. Subscribe for more insightful Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.